Hi there, AO here with the Believe in Books Literacy Foundation. While normal cleaning happens year-round, we thought we'd show you some of the springtime cleaning tasks that we've been tackling recently. Last week, we had our annual Earth Day celebration with Dr. Seuss's The Lorax, so we've been taking down the stage and putting truffle-trees and thneeds away until next year, although Earth Day should be every day. We just closed the Sugar Shack for the season, also bringing syrup back to the office and removing all of our Sunset Concert series and Journey to the North Pole merchandise. Remember, you can still purchase syrup and merch from our website or at our office. And of course, there's cleaning to be done in the office. There are 6 people and 2 dogs. You do the math. We work to keep our space clean and tidy. Out on the trails, we're constantly picking up large sticks and branches from the trails, along with trash and other debris to make our property fun and safe for all. Come check us out this spring and enjoy the beautiful scenery and warmer weather. Happy spring cleaning! For more information, visit believeinbooks.org.